now we're cooking with gas. We're cooking with fire right now.
Okay.
Jeez, just door.
Oh, maybe.
Son of a
biscuit.
Oh, dude.
Huh.
No way, we got a free Halloween night and garbage scalped Ralph. Okay, you can...
Garbage scalp Ralph, you know where he's gonna go?
What the f do you have here, huh?
The stickers?
Crane cams, we should keep that. Itchy. Summer 98. Holy shit. These gotta get kept.
Here, put them in the glue box. You wanna put the sticker on the car or you wanna keep it?
We can throw it in here. Boop. Temp. Dude.
Okay. So that should be the gas tank. All the lines should be hooked up because it was just empty.
Well, yeah, so it's all hooked up because he pulled that one line to f with it. Yo, back crank windows.
Yeah, I put them down earlier.
And the
They work too.
oh
I checked
my
them.
God.
All right.
So it's hooked. There's nothing in the bowl.
That thing is back
So you want to try and get it off the tank, or do you want to try and?
I say let's see if the fuel pump works by crank on it, see if fuel fills this up and comes out of there.
Battery. Where's the power?
Fuel pump's all hooked up from what I can see down
there's-
here. God, I hate how they put all the shit over here. Other cars are cool, but God. Oh my God.
Huh.
Look at the oil filter, Ethan. That's a mess waiting to happen.
Yeah?
They could use the cork, but it's there.
That's all we need.
It's not empty, so we won't dry the pump out, which is good.
We got battery. That makes sense. You got oil?
Quart low too, but it's there, so whatever. Pretend that we didn't see it.
Huh? A little bit of a
What is that?
first try. Cause
What is this spin? What are you?
that's a something or another thinginator.
It's on the exhaust side, not the... Something's supposed to be connected to it.
Alright, we got negative batteryage. Okay. You ready?
Fire. This looks like fire right here.
Just a fire waiting to happen?
Yeah, I trust my life with this. Yeah.
Get off with that.
Lord help me, I have a race car.
Lord help me.
Lord save me, I got a race car.
She ain't too. Let me see that. Oh, she.
That's not bad.
No, she's fucking cherry. Good to go. Ready to fire.
Operate.
All right, we have positive batteryage. You go in there, you go in there.
I'm guessing. Auxiliary pump. What in the dog shit? You're supposed to go. Is that like an emission thing? Oh, here.
I know.
Ah, choke. Found a choke.
Positive chokeage.
And it's a little. Oh wait, hang on. Can you give me a flavor real quick?
Huh?
Hold that in. So this is open, and then I have a sneaky hunch. No, still no idea what that does. All right.
Well, just give it a little bit of Bill Cosby in the can, and I don't know. We don't need that yet. Let's see if this fuel pump works.
Yeah. Well, it'd be quicker if we ran it off the can and run.
You want to do it off the can then? Yo, smoke. Alright.
Oh. Sick. She's one dusty mother lover. There's no good way to operate this throttle by hand. It's a really awkward throttle.
Go to right there. Just push down on that backside.
There we go. That's better.
That's a little bit better. All right. You want me to give her some old fuel pumpage? We're gonna try and fire off the.
Yeah, I'm just gonna spray some of this down his throat. I'll keep it running with this.
Well, remember that whole thing about how the tumbler likes to come out?
Don't tell me it came out. Hey, tumbler.
Tumbler's in my hand. Gonna work? Oh, we got positive wiperage.
How did I turn those off?
Oh, we got 4-ways, we got wipers, we got oil light.
Radio.
Holy jeebus.
Got a bulb out on that side. Why does that one blink for both of them?
I think it's just to tell you that they're on.
Oh, is an arrow pointing both ways?
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Hang on, do low beams?
Low beams, that one is still out.
Yeah, and high beam? Alright. I will run throughout the
You good?
Yep.
Okay. Ready again?
Don't do nothing.
All right. We got tunage. Crusty dice. Yep.
Walmart shit sucks.
Yeah, it does. You ready again?
Let me spray it right in there.
Put it right down the throat. Well, I'll tell you what. We ain't got no brakes.
Like 0?
It's going past my foot.
Alright.
Ready?
Yep, try out. Alright, gonna pour gas on his throat.
Yep, there ain't nothing here, huh?
No.
Oh,
How do you make gas come out of it? Why does there be so much safety shit? What am I gonna do? Oh, maybe it's like just to be real aggressive with it.
Let me just give her some.
Push super hard.
Are we onto something here?
No.
Okay, you.
How the f do you work?
Did you try this? Did you try that? Did you try that?
Yeah.
I'll help you. Yeah. There you
Fucking.
help me understand this.
About that. About that.
How about this? All right.
What if we get a funnel and we're just gonna
Yep. See you later, alligator.
flood the piss out of it?
We got the oil funnel. That's it. Yep.
Yeah, I could not care any less.
Trust that with my entire existence.
I'm gonna flood the f out of this thing.
Just be very gentle. Did you already flood it? Okay.
Alright.
We got positive leakage out the old carb there.
Where from?
It's just the whole bottom end. I think that gasket shot.
Did it pour right the f out?
Yeah.
Ah.
All right. Well, I'm gonna give her a crank.
Oh.
We're good. Everything's fine. I'm not gonna do what everyone thinks I'm gonna do. All right. All right. I think I'm just still figuring out how the old key works here. I pulled it out and I forgot.
Okay, whichever one is the ignition, we should mark it with like.
Okay. It's the one that has the Chrysler thing on it. The Chrysler logo. You ready?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Well,
No fuel gain at all.
nothing in the bowl?
Not
All right, add that one to the list.
Alright, we'll put more fuel in it. Run it a few more times, see if we can fucking.
You wanna, you know what? Let's just run it off the old tank. Off the old jerry can. We'll just prime it right into it.
Give me you. You're gonna come off. You're gonna come off.
Oh, we need pliers.
You know what we should get at Hobo Gray?
Huh? Oh, one of them headlights?
Yes.
One of them fancy schmancy friggin' headlights. Alright. We're gonna be negative on the old filters here.
Alright, okay. Alright. Okay.
Alright, okay. Ha! Holy gasoline in my legs. There's gasoline there's gasoline in my pants. Give me just like 42.9 seconds real quick. Oh, gross. I hate the feeling of gasoline in my knees.
Alright,
Looks like I'm not wearing those pants inside tonight.
we probably shouldn't run this over the battery. That's probably not the most ideal thing.
Oh, alright, we got more positive fuel leakage.
What is this thing?
Oh my god, that breaks. So much room for activities in this engine. You got hose clamps? Ah, hose clamps.
You got those clamps. Oh,
You know,
it'd be really cool.
if these fit over that hose, huh? That'd be really super awesome cool guy mode. Alright, let me get the old flathead.
Oh, God.
She's factory. There we go. Now we're looking at what we're doing. Let's go ahead and touch them together, huh? Tell me what happens.
Hey, Allison, what about you go the right way? What if you did that? That'd be cool.
That tends to work pretty well.
Sometimes, huh?
You gonna do? Oh, you're just gonna hold the positive one to it.
I need to spread this out. Like, can I get my pliers in there?
Yeah, you got the old pliers. Yeah, no.
Yeah, there we go. There's
Oh.
the stuff I needed.
Good. Checked it. That's what I'm talking about.
It's all about safety or whatever that word is.
Safety third.
Safety 7th.
Go ahead and pull the old rad cap off.
Yeah, so you should got anything in there. Got it.
Let me see the light real quick. It's like orange juice.
Ooh.
But it's to the top.
That's gonna be a flush and a half.
All right.
I guess I'm gonna touch this
That
to it.
stinks. All right, I'm gonna go give her some cranking.
Alright, let me know when you're about to crank and I'll put your wire on to see if it does stuck.
Right now. Do we have dome lightage going on in here or what?
No, but there's dome light bulbs and clip on.
Oh, I'll be dipped. All right.
You ready?
Yeah. Ready?
Watch the fan.
Ah, yes, yes. She's running.
She doesn't like choke.
Not one bit. Well, it sounds good. Oh yeah. We got positive oil popping out the old exhaust here. Did you take the...
I'm not.
You're not touching the wire, are you?
No.
Let's see if it... We'll do it by the key.
No, let it.
Snuff itself out?
What is it running? I mean, the bolts might be cool.
Let's see. There it is.
There it goes.
We got...
Runs really well.
This thing shot oil.
Did it? How bad?
All the way all over my
Oh wow, yeah.
That's a cool party trick.
That's pretty cool. Those rings need to come back around.
Yeah.
Other than that, you're a pretty stout runner. I wish we had a switch hooked fuel pump up to.
That'd be cool.
Yes, we do.
What do we got?
Kind of. We have headlight and heater fan switches that we could use. Oh, we don't have wire. But I'm suspecting no fuel pump because
That motherfucker's still dry.
Which, granted, there might still. How much did you put in the tank? 2 gallon?
Something like that. 2-3 gallons.
Yeah, this might not be enough to
Pull it.
Because this is nothing. It's a Fram. That's good.
That's good.
Well,
We still got no brakes.
like, define no brakes. I mean, at least it comes back.
We got nothing for the old brakes. I mean,
No horn at all?
we got nothing for the horn.
That's lame. Alright, so we can do a few things. We can, 1,
Straight
chop
pipe it.
Yeah, chop the muffler off.
Chop the muffler off.
2, we can put the jack underneath it, maybe jack the rear end up and see if the tires spin and see if the transmission even works.
Let's do both of those.
Cool.
Works for me.
All right. That's funny.
Good throttle.
Yeah, well,
Negative. This is like a dream though.
it does, actually, surprisingly. Hang on, let me make sure this one works.
Dude, this thing is
And they only go halfway.
safety.
See, I got seatbelts.
Kids don't jump out. Wow, that goes right to the old seat, doesn't it?
We didn't see that.
Huh?
Alright.
That's good. That's good. That's meant to be. Okay.